Watson's Surname Meaning and History presented by COADB.com. First, the surname meaning. Watson is a Scottish and Northern English patronymic from the common Middle English personal name Wat, a short form of the name Walter. The first name Walter derives from the Old German name Waldhari, consisting of the words wald, meaning rule, and hari, meaning army. Early bearers: Johannes Watson of Yorkshire, 1340 AD, John Watson of Edinburgh, 1392 AD. Noble titles held: the Baronetcy of Rockingham Castle in County Northampton, created in 1621 for Sir Lewis Watson, Member of Parliament, who was later elevated to Baron in 1645. His grandson, also named Lewis, was created Earl of Rockingham in 1714. The Baronetcy of Fuller in County Buckingham, created in 1760 for Admiral Sir Charles Watson. The Baronetcy of East Sheen in County Surrey, created in 1803 for Sir Brooke Watson, Lord Mayor of London. The Baronetcy of Henrietta Street in County Middlesex, created in 1866 for Sir Thomas Watson, Physician in Ordinary to Queen Victoria. Estates and Homes: Rockingham Castle, Northampton. Early settlers: John Watson of Virginia, 1620, George Watson of Massachusetts, 1631, Anna Watson of Pennsylvania, 1701, Henry Watson of Nova Scotia, 1749. Landed gentry: Watson of Colgarth Park, Watson of Kilconnor, Watson of Berwick House, Watson of Shercliffe Hall, Watson of Ayton, Watson of Burnhead. Notables: Mary Spencer Watson, an English sculptor whose works can be seen at the University of Cambridge. Ellen Liddy Watson, a pioneer of Wyoming who became known as Cattle Kate, an outlaw of the old American West. Coats of arms. If you enjoyed this video, please visit us at COADB.com, where we offer affordable genealogy and ancestral research services. Thank you very much.